Today's top tip is all about taking compassionate leave from your goal. Here's how to go about it. Horrible things happen to good people all over. You lose a loved one, your partner loses his job, or you encounter health issues. All of these are unfortunate events that life shoves onto us. These unfortunate events limit our progress and make it difficult to achieve our goals, be it working on a PhD or writing a book. We may keep trying to push forward on our goals amidst all the chaos, but we become despondent and we push our goals aside and we feel guilty. Trying to deal with the feeling of guilt because you're not working on your PhD while trying to deal with the unfortunate event all at the same time can be destructive. Be kind to yourself and apply for compassionate leave from your goal. What I mean is, negotiate with yourself for time away from your desk. Put the terms and conditions in writing, including what you will and will not do during your time away and when you'll be back. There may be no one else involved in your project, in which case you still need to go through the process and submit that compassionate leave application to yourself. I know it sounds odd, but it will lift loads off your shoulders. If it means that you need to speak to a supervisor and explain that you need 3 weeks away from your project, do so. If it means that you have to extend the deadline of a book that you're writing, do so. But take the action that can make your application for compassionate leave legitimate. Why do we need to do this? If you don't, you'll need to deal with the unfortunate event as well as the feeling of guilt. Sometimes the unfortunate event needs attention first, and then within days or a few weeks, you'll be back at your desk to tackle your goal. By legitimating your request, you will shorten your time away from your goal because it does not become this open-ended, guilt-infused procrastination spree. It becomes a legitimate, well-thought-through time away from your goal. And on a specific date, you'll be back at your desk to push forward. And remember, you can always return to your desk if you need a distraction from the unfortunate event. But that will become a bonus and not an expectation, which will also leave you with a feeling of achievement if you did manage to put in an hour or two, instead of that feeling of guilt if you only managed to put in an hour or two. Legitimize your time away from your desk by submitting that compassionate leave application to yourself. Set a date and time when you'll be back, and go and deal with life's unfortunate event.
If you found this video helpful, smash the like button. For more useful tips to boost your research experience, subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. And while you're at it, hit the bell so that you get notified whenever I produce a new video. If you need a solution to a challenge not yet covered on my channel, leave a comment in the box below. See you in the next video.